You're charged with driving while intoxicated. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor. Officers were dispatched to a Holiday Inn in Harris County, Texas, in response to a disturbance. The caller reported that two white males left the property, one in an F-150 and one in a Mitsubishi. When the officer arrived, he observed a Mitsubishi which matched the description given in the parking lot, headed toward the nearby road. The officer initiated a traffic stop and made contact with the driver, the defendant. Officer asked the defendant if he was involved in a physical disturbance, and the defendant stated yes, that him and another individual got into a physical fight, and that he got into his car to separate himself and calm down. The defendant stated he was headed toward a gas station when he was stopped by the officer. While speaking to the defendant, the officer observed an odor of alcoholic beverage, glossy eyes, and slurred speech. The defendant admitted to drinking 2 beers, and standard field sobriety tests were conducted. A 6 out of 6 on the HGN, a 0 out of 8 on the walk and turn, a 0 out of 4 on the one-leg stand. The DIC was read and the defendant consented to a breath test. The results were a .103 and a .113.
Judge, I'm going to say no probable cause here because.
What's he doing wrong? He's like trying to get away from him. He's like doing the right thing. You know?
And probable cause doesn't exist. He's 0 for 6 on the walk and turn, 0 and 6 on the one-leg stand. There is no law in Texas that a person cannot drink. Just because he smelled alcohol does not mean the person is intoxicated.
Do we have anything that he's doing, you know? Tell me what led them to him?
Yes, sir. So what led to the investigation was a caller who reported the disturbance. The officer arrived and he observed a car which matched the description that the caller
That would be
gave.
like me calling and saying, hey, this guy did this over there. The cops go, no. I mean, theoretically, would be anyone could make a phone call, make an allegation, cops go boom and just stop, do whatever they want without,
Yes, Your Honor.
no probable cause.
Thank you, Judge.
Be careful, man. There's a lot of haters out there. Don't let them get you, you know? Life's too short. All right? All right. Good luck.